Welcome back, everybody. This is part 2 of a 3-part video series on why you should start using BitTube right now. Alright, so in this second video, we're going to go over creating an account and focus more on the content creator section. But wait, if you're just a viewer and all you want to do is view videos on the platform, stick with us because there's going to be some interesting stuff that you need to know. So if you stick around, you're going to see that even if you're just a viewer and you never thought about creating content before, you're going to have a lot of benefit in creating videos for other people to watch. Now for the content creators, let's go over creating an account, why and how you get paid, and the benefits of starting the account and moving over from YouTube or any other video platform to BitTube right now. Alright, so we're simply going to go to bit.tube and it will take you to the landing page, which is the dashboard here. And over on the left side of the screen, simply click register, put your username, your first and last name in, or whatever name you want to use, your email address, and then put your password in twice, hit I agree to the terms and conditions, and then get started. Alright, they're going to send you out an email that looks something like this, and you're just simply going to click activate. Once you have registered and you've logged into your account, as you can see on the left side, the navigation panel is a little bit different from if you're familiar with YouTube. You can actually click on your username or what your account name is, and you can see it's very similar to other video platforms, again, like YouTube. So if you're comfortable with it, you should have no problems at all with this one. So the important parts that I want to go over with you. You can see here the home, the trending, and the newcomers pages. All those are very important when you first upload videos and you've got a new account. Your stuff is going to come up on this page and it's going to help people see your channel right off the bat. Now, you can also click on live. I think this is a nice little feature because you can see all of the BitTubers that are currently streaming or live on the network right now. Okay, so subscriptions, categories, upload media. Here is the important one for a new content creator. Now, you can go to upload now, which is basically just one of your videos at a time, or you can go to connect now to YouTube. Now, I've already connected my account, and I know what you're probably thinking. I don't want to put my credentials in on a website that I don't know, so I'm going to give you an option. Basically, what this feature allows you to do is upload all of your videos that you would like to from YouTube and then place them on your channel here on BitTube. Awesome, awesome feature. So you don't have to upload one at a time. Now, you can simply go through here and click on the videos that you would like to upload and then start import. Alright? So if you're uncomfortable with this, here's what I would recommend. Okay? You can actually connect the account, download or upload from YouTube, and then simply disconnect the account afterwards. If it makes you feel better, you can actually change your password on your YouTube account so that another website doesn't have access. This is really no different than signing in or connecting with Facebook or any of those websites that use alternative portals to sign you in to an account on their platform. Alright, so the next notable feature is broadcast. This is basically your live streaming, or what you would live stream from a YouTube account. So same type of software. I use OBS. Lots of folks use many different programs, but this is where you actually go to download and get your key. The next one, very important one, stick with me here, wallet. Now it may take some time for the wallet to actually load, so be patient, give it some time, let it synchronize. So here we get into how you get paid as a content creator. And here's the wonderful thing. If you've been making videos on YouTube for a while, or maybe you have a small channel and you haven't monetized, like myself, then you will find out the immediate difference between YouTube and a minimum threshold before they allow you to monetize on your platform, and BitTube is the instant you upload a video and someone begins to view it, you start getting paid. Now, how do you get paid? You get paid in cryptocurrency. Now, if you're familiar with cryptocurrency, that's great. You already know the value, the great value in this. If you've never heard of cryptocurrency, or you just thought to yourself, I'm done, I don't want to watch the video anymore, please stay with me, because you're going to see the benefit. On this platform, you get paid in what's called tube coins. Now, if you're completely unfamiliar with cryptocurrency, basically tube coins are a type of cryptocurrency. Now, cryptocurrency is not really that much different than our normal monetary system. Let's say you have an employer who pays your paycheck and your funds are electronically deposited. You never see the cash unless you go to your bank or go to an ATM and withdraw that electronic, those numbers that go back and forth from your employer to your bank. You never really see that. This is no different. This is an electronic form of currency that you can turn into cash. You can turn it into Bitcoin. You can turn it into other coins. You simply take these coins, send them to an exchange, and I'll do videos in the future on how to do this. So don't worry, don't be intimidated. This is simply a different form of electronic payment. So you simply get your coins, you send them to an exchange, you sell them, you then transfer that to a service that will allow you to send to a bank account. So really, there's an extra step or two, but there's nothing to be afraid of or concerned about or anything like that. So please, don't let this scare you off. The benefit of this is that, unlike the US dollar, cryptocurrency, although a lot of people say it's very volatile, cryptocurrency has the ability to appreciate greatly in the future. If, let's say, YouTube pays you $100 US, you can hold that $100 US, but in 6 months from now, it's still going to be $100 US. The value will actually be depreciated because of inflation. With cryptocurrency, let's say this coin is 3.5 cents right now. So each coin that they give you is worth 3.5 cents. Well, that 3.5 cents can turn into 10 cents or 20 cents in the near future. You can simply, as soon as you get them, you can transfer them and cash them out. That's completely on you. But I wanted you to see the added benefit here. That's the whole thing about cryptocurrency that you may or may not already know. You've got the ability to have an asset that can appreciate. Doesn't necessarily mean it will. The price can go down. But if you hold these assets long enough, just like a 401k account or any type of retirement account, if you hold them long enough, you're hoping that that asset appreciates. This is basically what we have here. So if you think about it, getting paid in a cryptocurrency that can appreciate to a far greater extent than the US dollar or euro or any other fiat currency, that's a great benefit as long as you hold on to what you have. Now let me take just a minute to walk you through this. As you can see on my screen, my balance is right here. The unconfirmed, or as they pay out, these transactions take a little while to confirm. And I'm not going to get into how the blockchain works and all that stuff in this video, but just understand that the unconfirmed will move to your full balance after some time. Okay, so you can see the transactions as they have come in. This is my public wallet address. So if you'd like to send me some tube coins, be my guest. So there's nothing wrong with showing this address. This is your public address. This is like giving someone your bank account information so that they can send you money. Okay, so there's no chance without additional information that someone can get into my account. Very similar to your bank account. Okay, so you can see all of the payments that I've made. Now, with the new airtime payment system that BitTube has released, basically, when someone watches your content, it takes 7 days. It's a rolling 7-day payout. So it takes 7 days from the time that somebody watches it to where it accumulates, and then they pay you out 7 days later. This is subject to change at any time, but that's how it works right now. So if somebody watches something right now at 12:33 p.m. on Saturday, next week on Saturday at 12:33 p.m., you will start to get paid from that viewership. This is your online account, okay? You can actually send these funds to a offline wallet or directly to an exchange wallet so you can cash them out, all right? You simply send and you put in the address here of the wallet, which you will get if you sign up on an exchange or you have an offline wallet. Again, I have another video on how to create an offline wallet. More than welcome to go look at it. I just don't want to get into all that stuff here, cloud up, and lengthen the video more than it needs to be. One more important thing to look at here is if you are looking at your airtime statistics, you can simply mouse over to the left here, and you can see your airtime ID, any pending events, your airtime statistics, how many are recorded, how many are unprocessed, confirmed, or rejected. Okay, so you can actually see when you are making money by watching videos. All right, so I want to quickly go over a couple additional benefits on the BitTube platform over other video platforms. One thing, if you're a YouTube content creator, is the apparent censorship that has become more and more recent as of late on YouTube. Content creator on YouTube, Philip DeFranco, talks about this in one of his videos. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's on his channel, up near the top of his page, where he talks about how YouTube is censoring his videos. Guess what, guys? BitTube, you don't have to worry about that. Huge, huge thing. This is a decentralized platform, and unless it's copyrighted material or lewd material that does not need to be in this specific place, you are not going to be harassed. They do not have an algorithm that is going to censor or block the suggested videos on the homepage or the trending page. So you don't have to worry about that. That's a huge thing. You also don't have to worry about being demonetized or have certain videos demonetized, like people like Philip DeFranco have witnessed and have viewed on YouTube. All right, let's talk about the Airtime Explorer. This is basically the analytics where you can see who has viewed your videos, how long they have viewed your videos, and also how much you have made per view, as well as the viewer. Now, this is a 24-hour, I hit last 24 hours, and I can see on my channel which videos have been viewed, the hashes for the videos, which, again, I'm not going to get into all of that in this video, but you can look at the estimated total of what you've made in a specific period of time, and how much the people that have viewed your videos have made. The other thing that I wanted to talk about, I didn't want to end this video without talking about it, is on this platform, you will find from an analytical standpoint that viewers are much more likely to watch your content, much more likely to watch all of your video than they are on YouTube. Two reasons. One, they don't have to sit through a bunch of ads because the platform does not monetize on advertisements. So you don't get paid with advertisements, you get paid with views. Wonderful concept. The second thing is your viewers are much more likely to watch all of your content because they're getting paid to do so. YouTube, Vimeo, all these other platforms, they don't get paid. So once they lose interest, which they're much more likely to do, they're going to click off of your video and find something else. They're much more likely to watch the entire video if they're getting paid to do so. Think about that for just a minute. All right, guys, this was just a quick rundown on how to create an account, how to get paid on the platform, and how to look at the analytical side of this. Now, in part three is going to be for the viewers. Now, I'm going to go through how to make money by watching videos. Beautiful concept. How to look at your account, how to look at your airtime statistics, but I'll do that in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.